When creating host pools in Nerdio Manager version 3.1 and newer, you now have several additional selections for customizing your host pool that were previously available only after the host pool was created on the properties page. Let's take a look at what those are. So we're going to open up our demo workspace and click on Add Dynamic Host Pool, and you'll notice that there are two new options that are now available on this page. Now, the directory in FSLogix was something that could always be configured on the properties page of a host pool after it's created, but now you can define which directory profile, whether Active Directory or the newly available Azure AD profile, should be used during the host pool creation. And if you're adding any new hosts with Autoscale, they're going to be joined to this directory. And you can also define which FSLogix profile you want to use, or you can even decide to turn FSLogix off for the host pool that you're creating. So this is just a convenient feature that helps customize the host pool properties during the creation wizard, during the creation process, rather than modifying them after the host pool is initially created. The selections that will be defaulted in these dropdowns are going to be the default options, which were always the ones used when creating a new host pool. But as you can see, you can override them by just clicking on the dropdown and selecting a different profile. Hope you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.